Hello everybody, it's Bruce here with a video overview for Module 4 where we are going to continue our learning about core constructs in programming and specifically using Python. And in this video I'm going to just go through the module with you. And if you have any questions, you can find me on Slack, and we have the questions channel in Slack as well, and we have our amazing tutors who are available 4 days a week to help you. So if you haven't checked out the tutoring center, the virtual tutoring center that is, please do. And if you have any questions about how to access it, let me know. All right. So we have a Module 3 review just to go back over the things that were covered in Module 3. And in Module 4 preview here, you can see all of the various things that you're going to be learning about. Now, again, when you see the reading here with the highlighted items, focus on those. There are 3 chapters for Module 4. Chapter 3, Computing with Numbers. Chapter 7, Decision Structures. And Module 8 here, well, Chapter 8, Loop Structures and Booleans. And in particular, again, these items that are highlighted. I give you all the slides that accompany the textbook. While you're reading, you should probably, while you're reading the textbook that is, have those available to you. I provide you for each of the chapters the code examples from the textbook, so you want to download those and have them open and explore them and run them and use them while you're learning. And same thing with the review question exercises and answers. You may just find some of those maybe on a quiz. But there they all are. It's there for you. So I'm just going to go back. And I'll try to go quick because I know your time is valuable. Let's see. Whoa, Module 4 jumps around. Oh, let me just close this one up. Sorry about that. So again, assistance from our tutors. All right, I spoke of this a few minutes ago. Here's the days of the week: Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. And you'll just click on this link to bring you to the virtual tutoring center. And again, 2 of the people who are helping us this quarter are prior students of mine, and they are amazing tutors, and they know what they're doing, and they're really good at helping you with understanding your work. All right. Let's see. So Unit 1 is numerics, types, and imports. All right. This has to do with Chapter 3. All right. So a couple things, imports, right? A lot of times in Python, the functionality that you're going to need for a program or an application you're going to write is not part of the core language. So you're able to bring in or import additional functionality into your code, all right? So I'm not going to go through these pages here, but the book uses the math library to show you how to do additional mathy type things. So again, numerics, types, and imports. Now, Unit 2 is all about the stuff in Chapter 7, telling our code what to do or what direction to take given a certain situation, right, that you code. And there's something called simple decisions, there's something called two-way decisions, and there's something called multi-way decisions. Lots of info. I got some videos in there for you to supplement your learning and so forth. The accumulator pattern, all right? Read, watch 2 demonstrations of the accumulator pattern. The accumulator pattern is a core concept in programming, and that's what this unit is going to teach you. Couple additional things that you need to know, and this is back to Module 3, additional math operators. So in addition to multiplication and subtraction and such, there are two new things which you're probably not familiar with called the modulus operator and in Python, the division, integer division operator. So be sure and check those out. They are two things that I use in my Python programming all of the time. Some miscellaneous topics. Just some additional stuff on simultaneous assignment. And I'm going to tell you now that this is going to help you with the problem set. This video here, I put it together just a few hours ago. And again, it's going to be really helpful for one of the problems in the problem set. And then two topics that you want to go over: line feeds in inputs and the round function. Some of you asked about this. How to round numbers and such, not to get all the decimal places, so you want to do that. Now, I put together 3 sets of skill building exercises. All right, I give you in each part the problem, and then I'll give you all the solutions one by one. I highly recommend that you try these. You may just see some of these on a problem set or a variation of the problem. Hint, 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 hint. Right? So there are 3 sets of those. Go through them. They're gonna help build your skills. That's why they're called skill building. All right? There is a guided exploration. Learn to use the debugger in Visual Studio Code. This should not take you that long, but again, it's a guided lab, guided exploration about how to use a feature that's very common in all programming environments called a debugger. Yeah, it looks like a lot of steps, but they're really quick steps, all right? For this assignment, there's no coding. You're just going to need to submit some screenshots of your work as you progress through the guided exploration. And then the usual stuff, right? We have a problem set. I'll come back to this in a second. The learning guide quiz, the module quiz, and the exit slip. So let's go take a look at the problem set, okay? There are 4 problems that you need to submit. You're going to use the assignment workflow to accept the assignment, clone, work on, states, commit, and push your work back to GitHub. And each task is a problem, all right? And you want to go through and read the instructions really carefully for each problem. Okay, ooh, look at that pay calculator program. I thought I saw that in a skill building exercise. Now, this problem, fun with statistics, maybe fun, that's what I kind of meant. I gave you a little video that should help you out. And if you're finding that you have any questions about the problem sets, talk to the tutors, ask questions on Slack, and if you feel you need some more explanatory videos about anything in this class, please, please, please ask. And then the 4th problem is a lunch purchase receipt. So again, I give you all of the expected output, and yeah, and there's a bonus, by the way. There is a bonus if you're feeling inclined to earn some more points. You can earn 20% more on the assignment if you do this thing down here. All right. Welcome to Module 4. We are, almost nearing the halfway point, right? Week 4, week 5. Yeah. So we're getting into coding. And I know it's challenging. It was really difficult for me when I was learning this stuff. And I'm sure you could be finding it difficult as well. All right. So I'm here to help. The tutors are here to help. And that's, again, we have Slack as a place to ask questions and collaborate with each other. So have a good Module 4. For the online people, find me on Slack. And for the remote people, I'll see you on Zoom on Monday and Wednesday. Take care. Bye-bye.